One click, one coin, one wild ride. Welcome to the roller coaster of crypto fortunes. Crypto has turned memes into mansions and bedroom traders into billionaires overnight. Take Erik Finman, who bought Bitcoin at 12 and cashed out as a teenage millionaire. Or the Winklevoss Twins, laughed at 4 buying Bitcoin early. Now they're laughing all the way to the blockchain bank. But for every moon mission, there's a meteoric crash, like the guy who bought pizza for 10,000 worth of Bitcoins. Today, same Bitcoins are worth $600 million. Ouch. Or those who YOLO'd into coins like Luna, only to watch fortunes evaporate faster than you can say rug pull. Crypto is thrilling, but its wild fortunes swing faster than Elon Musk's tweets. So next time you see a coin pumping, remember in crypto, you can go from Lamborghini dreams to instant noodles overnight. Will your story be epic riches or a cautionary tale? Smash that like button for more wild crypto stories.